So do you also wish to extract the vehicle registration details from PDF to Google Sheets automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to transform vehicle registration papers into digital records with an AI agent. So here I want to extract the details from my vehicle registration PDF to my Google Sheets as a new row by using an AI agent. So here my objective is that when I'm going to add a new file in my Google Drive, then automatically I want OpenAI to extract the details from that particular file, and after extracting the details, automatically that detail should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Drive with OpenAI and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automate the process of digitalizing vehicle registration papers using AI agent. This will help you organize records, save time and ensure important details are always easily accessible. Alright, so here as you'll know that managing vehicle registration papers manually can be a hassle, especially when dealing with large fleets or multiple customers. So now physical documents can get lost and damaged or take too long to retrieve when needed. So by transforming these papers into digital records using an AI agent, I can automatically extract key details like registration number, owner name and expiration date, and then store them in an organized system. So this makes it easier to access, search and update records instantly. So whether I run a car rental service, a dealership or simply want to digitalize my personal vehicle records, this automation saves time, reduces errors or ensures all important documents are always at my fingertips. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the Google Sheet that I've created with the name vehicle registration, and basically here my objective is that when I'm going to add a new RC in a PDF format in this particular folder in my Google Drive, then automatically using OpenAI it should extract the details from that PDF such as registration number, date of registration, registration validity, owner name, address, vehicle class, model name, number of cylinders, text speed and the sitting capacity. Alright, so here I want to extract all these details from this particular PDF, that means from this RC, and now here to automate the entire process, we are going to connect our Google Drive with our OpenAI account and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. And here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as transform vehicle registration papers into digital records with an AI agent. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's build that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Drive, as I'm uploading the new RC cards or documents, you can say, in my Google Drive under a specific folder. So basically Google Drive is a cloud storage service where you can store your files and access them from any device. So in my Google Drive trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new file in specific folder, so that whenever I'm going to upload a new file in a specific folder, then automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Drive with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Drive account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly, as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the folder or the subfolder. So in this particular field, I need to select the folder from this drop down menu from which I want to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. So here you can see in my Google Drive that I want to capture the documents of this particular folder in my Google Drive, which I have named as vehicle registration. So in my Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my folder as vehicle registration, and now here after selecting my folder, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload a file in this particular folder. So now here before uploading the new file in this particular folder, what we are going to do is that we are going to make this folder shareable to anyone with the link, so that the URL of the file captured by Pabbly Connect should be accessible to anyone with the link. So for that you need to click on this folder name, and from here you need to click on this share, and from here you need to select share. And then here in the share dialog box, you have to give the general access as anyone with the link. So I've selected the general access, and now here after updating the general access, you have to click on this done. And you are all set. Alright, so now here after making this folder shareable to anyone with the link, we are going to upload a new file in this particular folder. So for that I'm going to click on this new, and from here I'm going to select file upload. And then I'm going to upload this particular file over here. And here you can see we have successfully uploaded our RC PDF over here. So this is the test RC that we are going to use to extract the details using OpenAI. Alright, so here we are going to use this test RC. And now here moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And now here after uploading a file in a folder, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the values such as web view link, web content link, that means the file links over here, and here you can see some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So here let me tell you that Google Drive is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new details within 10 minutes. So here you can set this trigger time as well. So for that you need to click on the three dots, and from here you have to select set trigger time, and then a dialog box will appear in front of you. So here you can select the trigger time. So here you can select the minimum trigger time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. So here I've set up the lowest trigger time, and then I'm going to click on the save. And with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received the new file details from our Google Drive trigger step, then automatically I want to give that PDF link to my OpenAI to extract the details from that particular PDF. So for that, what we need to do is that we need to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So basically OpenAI is the company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as extract content from PDF or image. So here by selecting this particular action event, I'm going to extract the content from the PDF that I've uploaded in my Google Drive in a specific specific folder. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So I'm following the instructions given below. Here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access API keys given the left side bar. And here under API keys, you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key. And then here I'm going to give the name as extraction. And then here I'm going to select my project as default project. And then I'm going to click on this create secret key. So this is the API key generated. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here you can see it is asking me to select the OpenAI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available. So in this particular case, I'm going to select the AI model as GPT-4o Mini because I want to extract the details using this particular OpenAI model. Alright, so moving forward, and then it is asking me to enter the image or the PDF URL. So it says enter the image or the PDF URL here. Supported file types are PNG, JPG, JPEG, WP and PDF. Ensure that the URLs are publicly accessible and downloadable. So as we have already made our file and folder shareable to anyone with the link. So now here we are going to enter our PDF URL. So here instead of entering the URL manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new file in our Google Drive under that specific folder, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the PDF file URL, and then here is asking me to enter the prompt. So here I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to extract the content details from that particular PDF. So here let's suppose that I'm going to enter the prompt as I want to extract details from vehicle registration card such as registration number, date, owner name, validity, etc. So here you can see we can add a simple prompt like this, but here if we enter the prompt like this, then we are going to receive the response in a paragraph format. So here instead of entering the prompt like this over here, what we are going to do is that we are going to use a feature that is structured output by OpenAI. So by using this particular structured output, we are going to get the details separately and in a proper organized format. So for that, here in this structured output, I need to enter the schema in a JSON format so that using that particular schema, it can extract the details from our vehicle registration card PDF that we uploaded in our Google Drive. So now here you might be thinking that from where we are going to get the schema in a JSON format for the structured output. So now for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to open Notepad first. And here in this notepad, we are going to write a simple code, or you can say a simple text for the details we want to extract from our vehicle registration card. So let's suppose that firstly I want to extract the registration number. So for that I'm going to firstly add the title over here, that is registration number. And then I'm going to add the type of data it is, that is type of text. And then I'm going to give a text line that is give me the registration number. Similarly, I'm going to add this type of text for each and every detail that I want to extract from this PDF. So let me enter all the text. And here you can see I've successfully added the details over here, such as the date of registration. Here you can see the format as type of date, and it says give me the date of registration, the format this. Similarly, I've added the registration validity, owner name, address, vehicle class, model name, number of cylinders, tax paid, and the sitting capacity. Alright, so these are the entire details. And now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy all the data from here, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and then we are going to give a focus on this important note. So it says to generate the structured output JSON, navigate to this particular link. So I'm going to click on this link. And then here you can see it has taken us to the structured outputs window of our OpenAI account. So from here we are going to click on this generate option given over here. And then here we are going to add our description over here. So we have successfully added the details description. And then we are going to click on this create given over here. And here you can see we have successfully received a JSON schema over here with all the details such as the registration number of the vehicle, registration date, here you can see the registration validity, name of the owner, address, class, model names, number of cylinders, details about the tax paid, and the sitting capacity. Alright, so here we are going to copy the schema, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste this schema as well. Alright, so this is the schema, and now here after entering the JSON schema, what we are going to do is that we are going to add a simple prompt over here as it is a required field. So this is the simple prompt, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the values separately such as registration number, date of registration, registration validity, owner name, address, vehicle class, model name, number of cylinders, text speed and the sitting capacity. So basically these are the details extracted from the PDF that we uploaded in our Google Drive. So with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here after extracting all the details from our RC card, then automatically I want to store that detail as a digital records in my Google Sheets. So for that what we need to do is that we need to add another action step over here, and here in this action step we are going to select action application as Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that after extracting the details from our PDF, automatically that detail should be stored as a digital records in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so here to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the spreadsheet first. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name vehicle registration over here. So in my Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as vehicle registration and my sheet as sheet 1. Then here it is asking me to enter the registration number, date of registration, validity, owner name, address, vehicle class, model name and some other details. So basically these are the fields that I've entered in my Google Sheets. So now here moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and now again here I'm going to map all these details from the response that I've received through my OpenAI action step. Alright, so here I'm going to map the registration number, here I'm going to map the date of registration, here I'm going to map the registration validity, here I'm going to map the owner name, here I'm going to map the address, here I'm going to map the vehicle class, here I'm going to map the model name, here I'm going to map the number of cylinders, here I'm going to map the text speed, and lastly here I'm going to map the sitting capacity. This is the capacity. Alright, so with this we have successfully added all the details, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets as a new row. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added the detail over here such as the registration number, date of registration, validity, owner name, address, vehicle class, model name, number of cylinders, text speed and the sitting capacity. So with this we have successfully set up an entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Drive and our action as OpenAI and Google Sheets. So that whenever we are going to upload a new RC, or you can say a new file in a specific folder in our Google Drive, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, and after that automatically OpenAI is going to use that PDF to extract the details that we mentioned in our JSON schema in our structure output, and after extracting the details automatically that details are going to be added as a digital records in my Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps how to transform vehicle registration papers into digital records with an AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.